Welcome to Dave's Kitchen. Today we're going to cook diced sweet potatoes and beets. It's really tasty and very simple. So my style of cooking is just cooking as a sketch. I never refer to a recipe, the quantities of ingredients, and I never worry if I don't have something, or if I happen to have something else, I might throw it in that day. The recipe's really flexible, really easy, and it should be delicious. So we're not demonstrating our filming ability, just a simple recipe. And here again are the ingredients: a sweet potato. Actually, this is a beet. A sweet potato, and oil, black pepper, salt, and today's guest ingredient is crushed red pepper. But on any given day I might change the spices in this dish. And I'm going to dice them, and throw it in a skillet. But I could just as easily slice everything and throw it in the oven. And instead of crushed red peppers, I might use thyme or sage, or I might throw in some greens like kale if I happen to have them. Doesn't really matter. But these are easy to have in your kitchen. I probably bought these a week, maybe 2 weeks ago, maybe more. So for cooking as a sketch, in the kitchen, you need a cutting board, a sharp chef's knife, and usually a cast iron skillet. I don't make much of a mess. Not a lot of plates to clean up, and not a lot of stuff, so it's useful to know how to dice and keep all your fingers. So we're going to dice a sweet potato. You cut it in half, and you cut it. When you're cutting, it's kind of important, sort of, to try and cut everything the same size. But it's still probably going to taste good no matter what. So cut it one way, and cut it the other way. And then, depending how careful you are, you could flip it on your side, cut it the other way, but I wasn't so careful. So now to dice everything, I have to cut them one by one, each row, but I'm not in a big hurry, so it doesn't really matter. Everything's pretty close to the same size, so it'll cook even enough. Final stage, throw everything in the skillet, add salt, pepper. I add a lot of oil because I like healthy fat. I'm not using butter. Butter would taste pretty good. And mix it, stir it until the sweet potatoes or the beets are as tender as you want them to be. And then repeat the recipe, making whatever changes you decide or happen to have on hand. If I had carrots, I'd throw them in. I don't have carrots. So this will be ready in about 6 more minutes. We're done.